Does 2 p.m. Eastern work for you?
No, sorry, I'm afraid that's not gonna work.
No? How about 3 p.m.?
No, sorry, I'm afraid that's not gonna work either.
No?
No, that doesn't work for me either.
Okay, let me check. 5:30 p.m.
No, can't do that one either.
No? How about Wednesday? I got noon.
Oh, let me check. No, that's no good either.
That's not gonna work either. 1:30 p.m. Central Time?
No, I can't do that one either.
Okay, Friday, 8 a.m. Central Time.
Can't do it. Nope, no can do. Nope. No.
Maybe your people should call my people.
Has this sort of thing ever happened to you? Well, don't fret, my friend. On today's episode of the Eric Michaels Show, I'm going to show you how to set up your Calendly account from scratch so that that nightmare that you just saw doesn't happen anymore. All right, let's not waste any time. Let's get right to it.
Let's get right to it, and I will show you all the cool things you can do with a free Calendly account. So, of course, you will need to go to Calendly and click sign up. They're going to make you give them an email. So go ahead and do that. Then you're going to go ahead and verify that email. All right, once they bring you back, you're going to have to enter in your password. So go ahead and do that. Then it's going to bring you to this page right here, which will show you your Calendly URL. You can change this part of it. So for me, I'm going to put Eric the Tech Mind. We're going to click continue. And now it'll integrate with your calendars. So you're going to want to do this so that your calendars talk to each other so you don't have scheduling conflicts. So I'm going to go ahead and click my Google Calendar and enter that. You're going to have to allow access to the calendar. And then it's going to take you to your availability page and you can set your schedule. Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 is the default, but you can change it how you see fit, whatever. So to save time, I'll set that up later. Then you're going to want to choose what kind of meetings you're going to have. So I'll choose freelance and consultant. Now it's going to take you to the main page here, and you're going to want to create an event type. These are all different events right here. So I'm going to show you how to create one. And with the free account, you can only have one active event at a time. So anyhow, you need to select whether you're going to have one-on-one meetings or group meetings. So we're going to do one-on-one. I'm going to give it a name. So again, we will say Eric the Tech Mind. Location. So I like to select phone calls. I will call my invites, but then also you can add another location, and I like to have Zoom. Oh, Zoom is not connected. We better integrate it. So you can click this little link right here, and it'll take you straight to where you need to be to integrate your Zoom account. So I'm just going to click Connect Zoom here, and I'm going to click Authorize. And it's going to take you to this page, and we're going to click this button here to go back to our event types. All right, so now we've got our Zoom integrated and functioning properly within our Calendly account. You can add more locations if you want. Microsoft Teams, these other ones, they have these options here, but you don't have to. And then here you're going to enter a description. So tech call with me, for example. And then here is your Calendly link. So you can change that as well. You can't have spaces, but you can do these little dashes here. So whatever, we'll just say free call for now, and you can choose a color for your event. I'm obsessed with blue, so we'll go with blue. Click next over here to save. So invitees can schedule 60 calendar days into the future, or you can change this, and you can change whatever days if you just wanted a month, or within a certain date range. You can select the different dates there, or indefinitely into the future. They can always book me, always be there. And anyhow, you can select the duration of your meetings. You can make them custom as well. And then you can select which schedule you want to offer for this event type that you're creating. So again, you can use your existing schedule or you can set custom hours down here. Now this is where it gets cool because you can add date overrides. So let's say this is your normal schedule over here, 9 to 5, but like me, you're a Life on Fire Academy member, so you're going to Abundance next weekend or 2 weekends. So you're not going to be available from July 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, or yeah, to the 25th. No, I'm not available at all. Not 9 to 5, never. Apply. Now, people cannot book from July 26th through July 25th without me having to change my schedules over here individually, and I'm good to go. All right, we're going to scroll down, see what else we could do. You can add time to buffer before or after your calls, so you can prepare like 5 minutes beforehand, and yeah, give yourself maybe 15 minutes afterwards, just in case the call's going over. And you are going to want to click the additional rules for your availability down here, because this opens up some cool options as well. So this will show your available start times in increments of, again, whatever you choose. And then I like this one here. Invitees can't schedule within however many hours or days or even minutes. So for me, to keep my sanity, I just do 24 hours so nobody can book the same day. That way every day I can just wake up and check my schedule or whatever, and I know that what I have planned is what I have planned. You can also give yourself a maximum event type. You can see I've used 3 and I've used 5 before. Time zone display, automatically detect and show the times in the invitee's time zone. Highly suggest keeping that way so that people don't get confused on the different times. I mean, that's why we're using Calendly to begin with. And then you can make a secret event if you want, which would hide your event from your main scheduling page. All right, we're gonna click next. And then in this page, the very first thing is the invitee questions. So you can click this here. So your invitees are going to have to put out their name and their email, and they can choose whether or not it's a phone call or a Zoom. Please share anything else that you want to share for our meeting. This all comes default. But you can click this button right here and add a new question. So you can say, what do you need help with? Kind of thing. And hit apply, and then now that's questions there, you know. Anyhow, you get the idea. You can type in whatever you want, and you can choose the way they answer as well with these different options. All right, save and close. Workflows is not available with the free version, so we're going to go down to notifications and cancellation policy. So you can click the blue personalized button right here and add any text that you want to, whether it be in the title or the body of the email. And you can type in whatever you want. I'm so excited. Oops. And let's see here. Email reminders, yes. Email follow-up, yes. Text reminders, yes. And again, you can personalize any of these things here with the blue button and clicking on in here and changing things as you see fit. We're going to hit save and close once again. We're going to go down to confirmation page, display Calendly confirmation page, or you can redirect to an external site like ericwalbert.com, for example. Your own web page, you know. I'm going to hit cancel because I'm not going to do that right now. And collect payments. You can also integrate this with PayPal and Stripe so you can get your well-deserved money from your online business that you're rocking. Now your account is set up. So you can go to home here. I now have Eric the Tech Mind event here, and you can click this link right here to view the booking page, and this is what it will look like for people. They'll click one of these dates here and choose a time. Click confirm at your page here. So they have to enter their name, email, select the location of the call, anything else that'll help with the meeting. What do you need help with? Send text messages to, schedule event, and bam, you're on your way to online success. All right, guys, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my tech tutorials and tech tips, and tell your friends about me. Catch you next time. Bye. Bye.
That won't work either.
Has this sort of thing ever happened to you? Well, don't fret, my friend. On today's episode of Eric Michaels Show, I'm going to show you how you can get... I'm going to show you how to set up your Calendly. I'm going to show you how to set up your Calendly. I'm going to show you how to set up your Calendly account from scratch.